dang, look at this shot. Looking at people. You're gonna want to look at people.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Calm down. Alright, so today we are shooting on the 100-400 Canon R5C.
So pretty much 7 o'clock.
Alright, so we have a 77mm on here. I don't have a circular polarizer on it currently, so we're going to switch that on there because that's going to help us with reflections. This is the circular polarizer by Polar Pro. It's been pretty good. I've liked it a lot. Definitely would like to switch to the magnetic kind though. That seems like the best choice. Like the really good blur shots, I'm shooting at 50th of a second, so you're at 1600, so bringing that all the way down to 15 or to 50. It's gonna be harder. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but that's how you get those like crazy cool shots. And then your f-stop, I'm at like f13 because it's so bright out. As that sun starts going down, it'll be much easier to shoot at like f5.6 or whatever. So bump that to like 15, and now just look and just see what your exposure, like how bright you are. And like if it's bright, you can still bring it back sometimes, but like, yeah. So like if you want to get blur shots like these.
Oh, okay.
It's also way easier if you put it up to your eye, because your head stabilizes it, but so gnarly.
Here we go. Pull out, so you don't water.